You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to write, how to say, how to pronounce what is the number 5 in Roman numerals. It's a V, just the V stands for 5. Now, if you want to learn how to write number 4 and number 6, I've got videos for you. Stay tuned for that. But number 5 in Roman numerals is just a capital V. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.